Welds are totally shot. The rest of this part is bent. This is bent, and I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it broke that post in multiple places. So, guess I should have done something different with the gate.
What you stop me for?
So you're playing your music too loud.
Bro, come on, dude. Okay. I got a camera. I got a camera right here.
Okay. Well, I'm not here to argue. I'm here to give you the citation. This is what I'm stating. I'm indicating these violations. If you want to argue, that's at court.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm gonna go.
Yeah. So you're gonna sign here, okay?
It's gonna show when you were with that kid over there. Just go to court, man, because I don't wanna waste my time at court and you're not gonna be there, you know?
Here we are, scene of the fire on North Grand. Last night, this car slammed into Bob and Rita's Tavern. Doesn't look like it was a good one.
You got a shot of that? 4 bars, just open it, please.
But there's a car, looks like it may have shot across that curb. Give you a little look here. Not a good car to be in.
Yeah. Wow, hey, just right here. So give me that door across the window. Really, guys, it's pretty hot.
Yeah, how Kathy was in there.
So feel sorry for the people that just opened, but hopefully they got insurance to cover this and they can get this place back open.
Es ilegal eso que hizo. Es ilegal eso que hizo.
Sí, yo sé. Pero es que como tenemos que estar ahí,
Ey. Órale.
Oh my God! Oh my!
Goodness.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
No, you're
He's gonna hit the.
Does he just get out of the car?
Okay. They look okay.
Oh my goodness. I think we need to get away from them. Do we need to call the police?
Oh God.
Do we need to call the police?
Get out of here for this.
I think we're in danger. Should we call the police?
No, I think get out of this.